Good morning and welcome to another Toolbox Tour video, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing a scan tool. So how this all came about was I was watching a video from the BMW doctor. He's a UK YouTuber who does stuff on various BMWs, and it was reviewing a Bluetooth scan tool. It's like a Bluetooth dongle you plug into the OBD socket and you have an app on your phone. I thought, oh, that seems interesting. I can put a link to his video in the description. Anyway, I had a look on Amazon and I thought I was gonna buy it for myself. Then I realised you got to pay to unlock various features, so that didn't really appeal to me. But there was a cheaper scan tool, a bit of a generic one, and I thought about 30 odd quid. I thought it'd be worth a punt, so I ordered it on Amazon. It's here, good old Amazon Prime, one day delivery. Just get it opened up. Won't reveal my address on here. Let's see what we have. I'll just put you down into better position. We'll carry on unboxing it. So let's get this opened up a bit more. So got my trusty knife. I think it needs a new blade, but I'll worry about that some other time. So I did actually buy a really cheap, I think like £10 scan tool on Amazon now. Very basic. I think it's about a £10 on Amazon, but all cars I've tried it on, it's not really worked. So I thought I'll get one that costs a bit more. So I paid about 30 quid for this one. I thought I'll give it a try, see if it's any good. Well, that says that Bluetooth one, it doesn't really appeal to me. Every time you want to unlock a feature, you've got to pay. You know, so if I want to unlock it for a BMW, I've got to pay. If I want to unlock, if I use a VW, I've got so probably cheaper to get one of them hotel scanners. Right, this is it. It's the ThinkOBD 100. And it's not the one that BMW doctor reviewed. It was like the Bluetooth dongle, so I'll get this opened up. I'll try it on a few cars. I was hoping to do it on the Beetle because it had engine management light, and if you remember in the last Beetle video, but I might be able to get around to owner's house and give it a try, see if it'll work. Anyway, so see what comes in it. So it comes with some instructions. Got a it's like a mini USB lead. Not sure what that's for, but this is basically it. It's like a £10 tool, but I think this one's a little bit better. So hopefully it might actually work. Let's have a quick look on the instructions. So you got a little screen. Got your up and down buttons. Your OK, up and down buttons. Your OK. And it's like an escape button, you know, to go back through the various menus. Obviously I can't show it on here, so let's have a look. If there's anything in about half a dozen languages. We got it in English, got it in French, Spanish, German, Italian, Russian and Portuguese. This must be USB port. I'm not sure what that's in here. Maybe for like firmware update or something like that. But it doesn't actually help her. Not really any instructions. No, just plug it in and that's it. Don't really tell you anything. No. No. So it's really not much use. So what I'll do is we'll actually use it, see how I get along. Now the only car of mine that has OBD2 is the Citroen, so obviously that's going to be the car to try it, because the BMW has its OBD1. It's like a generic BMW. And obviously the Triumph and the Toyota don't have a OBD because they predate OBD. Anyway, enough waffling. Let's get out to the car and try it. So I've got it plugged in. I don't know if you can see this. So we've got diagnose, look up, set up and help. So I'll just go and set up, see if it says it. Got language, and all the various, that's English, unit of measure. Oops. So select unit of measure. We'll stick with metric because we're virtually metricated. Thank you, EU. So we'll go back. So we'll do diagnose because I think there will be some fault codes on this one. Let's see what it picks up. It seems to be better than that cheapo reader. So yeah, we've got three trouble codes. I think there are some ones that keep popping up but don't put the engine management light on. So we'll go OK. So we'll just read the code, see what they have. Let's see what it comes up with. And it says the vehicle's code is defined by the manufacturer. So, right, OK. Let's see what it comes up with. I'm wanting Citroen or... Oh, we've got Citroen, it supports, so select that. P1351, not found in the database, I wonder why. And 1434, another one not found in the database. Probably can look up all the Citroen ones. 2408, fuel cap sensor, switch circuit. That's interesting, because sometimes when I fill up with diesel, it just cuts out straight away, so that could be related. And another one, P1351, not found in the database. 1434, not found in the database. And that one, maybe needs a firmware update. So, that's interesting. So I'll just erase the codes, just for the fun of it. It says a clear reset emission related diagnostic information. Are you sure? Yes. Please turn ignition on with engine off, which it is. Press enter key to continue. OK. So it's cleared the code. It's done better than that cheap £10 code reader I had. OK. So let's read the code, see if any of them come back. Right, read codes. If tools OBD2 connector is connected to the vehicle's DLC, if the ignition is on, verify that yes it is. So I'll go back to main menu again, go diagnose. Let's see if any of those come back just for fun of it. What's happened there? Seems to have lost power. Just wonder if So I'll turn the ignition off, I'll turn it back on again. It's probably gone into economy mode. Right, I'll stop the camera here because something's gone wrong. So this is future me, back in the Citroen. Thought I'd finish the video, but then I tried a few things. I checked the fuse for the OBD socket, sprayed some contact cleaner and stuff. And did the same for the OBD socket, spray some contact cleaner in there. It seems to be working at the moment, so I'll try again, see if there's any error codes come up. I've been on a drive cycle because I went to do the Beetle, which you'll be seeing a bit later on this video, and it's come up with 3 error codes. So we'll just bring them up again. Which is better than the 6 we had before. So I'll need to select the manufacturer. Citroen. Not in database, I've done 1351, 1434, 2408, 1351, 1434, 2408, so 3 codes twice, so I'll just erase the codes. Just try reading the codes again. Well, it's showing no fault codes, but I'll just start it up a few times and see what happens. Well, I've started it up a few times. Let's see if it picks up any codes. Yeah, it's picked them back up. So just one fault code. Anyway, right, I'm not going to go any further with this, so I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. So I'm in the BMW, the F30, the diagnostic port is down there. Anyway, you can see it's next to bonnet release at the bottom of the air post. Plugged in, it seems to work. I did a firmware update, but it still didn't want to play on the Citroen. But the Citroen's a bit funny, it has a economy mode and stuff. And so here we are. We'll just do a diagnose, see what it comes up with. Now I'll try the Beetle next if I can get through it. Communication error. So the ignition should be on. Let's have a look. We'll just try it again. That's off. So yep, ignition's on. So we'll try again, and we'll. The trouble with these modern cars is they shut down a lot of stuff if you just have ignition switched on. So definitely in key on engine off position. Ah, right. Good news. No diagnostic codes. That says read codes. So it's not found anything. That's good. That's all well and good. So let's have a look here. I am reading this data stream, freeze frame, O2 sensor test, onboard monitoring as an evap system. We'll see what vehicle information, see what it says. No, what reveal the VIN on this F33 series. Just do an O2 sensor test for grins and giggles. It does not support it, right? That's fair enough. EVAP system, and that's not supported. That's all right. Anyway, so it seems to be working all right. So if I can, I'll try the Beetle next. So I managed to get to the Beetle. I've plugged it in, ignition switched on. So I'll do a diagnose and see what this one comes up with. There's an engine management light on. So just see what fault codes it is. I think I did do it with some generic software on one of my laptops, and it did come up as a misfire. And I'm sure it's related to the spark plugs not being changed for years, if ever. So we have 3 DTCs, so okay, we'll read the code, see what they come up with. System tooling bank 1, P0171. That's 2 of them, so one's a current, they're both current. System tooling, it should be alright now, it's had a service, so that's probably why well, it'd be too rich, wouldn't it, with the dirty air filter. It's competent. O2 sensor circuit, bank 1 sensor 1. That's interesting. Again, that could be related to it, to a lack of regular servicing. Anyway, we'll go back. We'll erase the codes. Yes. Please turn it. So yep, it's in key on engine off position. So okay. Just try reading the codes once more. Right, so that's a good sign. So what I'll do, I'll just start it up. It's put the engine management light out. I'm just hoping that this it's actually cured it. So let's put it out. I'll do a few starts and stops, and then we'll read some codes again. I mean, this wasn't supposed to be a Beetle video. It's just a reviewing this code reader. So I'll do a few restarts with engine, see what happens. So I've started it up a few times and nothing's come back. So what we'll do is we'll just do another diagnose, and hopefully we've cured this. It's all emissions related, so not a misfire, but I think the service will have cured all that. Anyway, we'll see what it comes up with. So it's not showing any diagnostic codes, so I think that could be a good sense. Try an O2 sensor test just for laugh of it. Why not? Bank 1 sensor 1. That's when we had the error codes on. The test 68 data, so that doesn't support. Test 87 data, so it does not support, but never mind. Let's have a look, see what else we can test. Just try VAP system. That's not supported. Let's try on board monitoring. Let's try these various tests. No idea what half this stuff means, but never mind. Let's have a look. I don't know what IM readiness is. everything looks to be alright. So, right, I think I'd call that a success. I'll just unplug the OBD port. It's just under here, just to right this panel. So I'm going to end this video here. So hope you enjoyed this little review of my code reader. It's a lot better than that cheapo £10 one I got. So it'll be useful for basic diagnostics. I can just quickly plug it in, pull up some error, some diagnostic codes. It doesn't tell you exactly, as we saw on Citroen, but that doesn't matter. We get the codes, we know what they are. So please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. And questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.